In class 11th accountancy, we are on chapter number 6, that is rectification of errors. And in rectification of errors, we already completed the theory part, and today I am going to explain you different types of errors and their rectification. So my dear children, today please look at the screen because you are going to do the numerical part that is a little bit difficult. Yes, now am I audible, Savan? Okay, board is visible. Yes. Now see. Tanish Malik, please switch your video on. Tanish Malik. So first of all, one-sided error. As I explained you in the theory part, one-sided errors. Today's topic is one-sided error, and in one-sided error, be careful. We always use suspense account because the error is in one account only. So for that purpose, we have to see the another account. So another account, to make the entry complete, there will be suspense account. So children, use of suspense account in one-sided entry. Look at the screen. See, as when we are making the trial balance, I told you purchase and sales return will be debited always. Purchase and sales return will be debited always. And sales and purchase return will be credited always. This is the easiest way. According to my experience, I can tell you, please look at the board and be concentrated. Then you will be able to understand. One-sided error means error in one account. So today I am going to explain you this type of error through purchase, sales. Then you will be able to understand. See, there will be two conditions: undercast and overcast. Undercast means you have written less, entered less. So you see, undercast means less. Overcast means more. So only the one line I have to tell you to learn for this topic. Whenever there will be overcast, means more entered, give the reverse effect. Oh, nothing more than that. Whenever there will be entered more or there will be overcast, just make the reverse entry of these. Means whenever there will be overcast, do the reverse entry. Simple. So these four lines will make the one-sided error easy. My dear children, don't be bad. See, simple way. One-sided error means error in one account or one side only, and to make the entry complete is there is double entry system. So to make the entry complete, we have to use suspense account in that place. Okay, so one-sided error means use of suspense account. One second. Now, one by one, I am going to explain you, then you will be able to write. Look at the screen. Then, first, theory part we already completed. If you have any doubt, you can see the previous videos. Yesterday I gave you very informative slides in which how to search the error, how to rectify the errors in the theoretical way I explained. Now, one-sided error. See, purchase book undercast by 1,000 rupees. Purchase book undercast by 1,000 rupees. Now there are various reasons of undercast. Maybe totaled less, maybe recorded less, maybe entered less, maybe carry forward less. So that is the reason of undercast. Undercast, totaled less, carry forward less. Okay. Now purchase is always debited. So what to do? Purchase account debit to suspense account. Narration will be simple, very easy. Rectification entry made. Rectification entry made. See, purchase always debited, and if it is undercast, then write more, write again. Purchase will be debit and no account in credit, so we have to write, because to make the entry complete, we have to write suspense account in credit. Now reverse of it. Second entry, reverse of it. Second entry, reverse of it. That is purchase book overcast. Overcast, same reason, totaled more, balanced more, carry forward more. Various reasons are there for undercasting and for overcasting. In place of 1,000, you made the total of 10,000. That is also overcasting. Okay, Rabjot? Got it? In place of total of 1,000, you total 10,000. So that will be the problem of overcasting. So purchase book overcast by 9,000 rupees here. Why 9,000? Who will tell me the reason? In place of 1,000, accountant totaled it 10,000. So 10,000 minus 1,000, the difference is of rupees 9,000. So purchase book overcast by 9,000. So this general entry will be reversed. Just now I told you, na, in case of over, what to do? In case of over, reverse effect. So what will be the reverse effect of it? See it. What will be the reverse effect? Purchase, which is debited, now will become credited. So here you will write to purchase account. And because nothing is in debit, so suspense account debit by 9,000 by 9,000. Narration, rectification, entry. Got it? Rectification entry made. Now note down please. See, in case of overcast, just do the reverse entry. Okay? The board is visible, I am sure. Board is visible. Okay, now see. In case of undercast, that will be debited. In case of overcast, that will be reverse entry. See the board I have given you. Note down these two entries. These two entries are the basic entries. Undercast means purchase to be debited and suspense to be credited. Overcast, if the reverse effect, purchase will be credited now, and in place of that, debit is not, no account is there, so we have to put suspense. Note down these two entries. Now, my dear children, we are moving towards next entry, that is sales. Please note down these two entries, then we will moving towards next third and fourth situation. In that case, see the situation, I am changing the situation. Sales book undercast. Here, sales book overcast. Now I change the question completely. In place of purchase, I have written sales. So, see, sales is always credited, but when there is undercast, it is credited, and when it is overcast means more. Then what to do? Reverse effect. Clear? Samriddhi got it? So sales book undercast means suspense account debit to sales account. See again. Why sales credited? Because the total of sales will always be credited according to the general entry rules. The goods which are going out will be credited. So here undercast means credited, no account in debit. So what to do? Put the suspense account here. Then next entry. Samriddhi, are you copying that? Mayur, Samriddhi, Mehak Bajaj, please copy down the points. Then next is sales book overcast. See, the actual total of sales is 1000, but accountant wrongly entered as 10,000. What to do now? That is 1000 rupees more. 9,000 rupees more. So what will be the entry? Now, because overcast, so sales account debit to suspense account. Sales account debit to suspense account. Children, note down, this is the third case and fourth case. Sales book undercast, suspense to sales, because sales always crediting. Now, next, sales book overcast. I told you, in case of overcast or more, you should pass the reverse entry. So reverse entry is, now sales will be debited. Now sales will be debited to suspense account. Nothing is there in credit side, so we have to put suspense account in credit. Now I am giving you the question for fifth and sixth entry. Yes, Mehak Bajaj. Note it down. Now fifth entry is for purchase return, sales return under cost. Pass the entry, I will ask from you. Sales return under cost. Yes, what will be the entry, please? Sales return under cost by 1000 rupees. Yes, Achal Jain, what will be the entry in that case? Sales return under cost. Achal Jain, unmute yourself better. Sales return
Ma'am, sales
under cost.
return account debit to suspense account.
Very good answer, correct, exact answer. Sales return account debit to suspense account, very good, because sales return always debited. Very good. Sales return debit to suspense. Yes, good. Now next question. Sales return under overcast. Akshay, what will be the entry if I told you sales return book overcast by 1000 rupees, beta?
Ma'am, the entry will be suspense account debit to sales return account.
Very good, excellent answer, correct, completely right. That entry will be reverse. So now suspense debit to sales return, exact answer, correct. Okay, note down please 5, 6. Then we will moving towards next week. Yes. So sales return book over generally error happens in these 4 subsidiary books. By error occurs due to over or to under, due to more or due to less, maybe the total, balance, carry forward. These are the basic books. So first of all, I have to explain you. Now we are changing. Going to purchase return book. Yes, Prachal. Purchase return book undercast by 1000. What will be the entry, my dear?
Suspense account debit to purchase return account.
Very good. Suspense account debit to purchase return. Correct. Why purchase return credit? Because this is the rule of journal entries. This is the rule of accounting system. Purchase return means the things are going out will be credited. This is undercast, so we have to enter it. Okay, now we are turning it. Now purchase return book overcast. Purchase return book overcast by 9000. Mehak Bajaj, please give me the answer. What will be the entry pass if purchase return book overcast?
Suspense will get debited to purchase return account.
See the board. In case of undercast, that will be the same entry, and in case of overcast, then also you will pass the same entry. Purchase return book overcast. This is the entry which you gave, that will be for undercast. My question is for overcast. Yes, Samriddhi? Meg is not present in class. She is not making the note. She is not attentive at all.
Ma'am, purchases return.
Yes, Samriddhi, please give the answer. Purchase return overcast. Mag, be careful, beta. Be attentive.
Purchase return account
Yes, Samriddhi is giving the answer.
purchase account debited to suspense account.
Purchase
Purchase return.
is return. See, the question is purchase return book overcast. Purchase return book overcast. So we have to reverse the entry here. We will make the reverse entry purchase return account debit to suspense account. Note down, please. Purchase return account debit to suspense account. So these are the basic 8 entries for one-sided error. Basic 8. Now I am giving you in the different languages. Different types we can get for this one. Note down, please. So 8 basic entries you have. Now another type for this type of one-sided error. So at that time you will use suspense account. Why we use suspense account, Tanish, in these type of entries? In one-sided error, why we use suspense account? Yes, please.
Because we don't know the errors in the debit or a credit side. Exact debit or credit.
Because to make the complete entry, as we know, entry will be completed by debit and credit. So to make the complete entry, we have to use suspense account. Because the next second account we don't know, error is only in one account. See, one-sided error is only in one account. That's why we have to use suspense account for one-sided error to make the complete entries. Or generally one-sided error affects the trial balance also. So that will be transferred to suspense account. Because whenever there is difference in trial balance, that we can transfer the difference in suspense account. So one-sided error, to make the complete entry, we open suspense account. Now I am giving you the different ways of this one-sided error. Please note down. The total carry forward of purchase book of rupees 10,000 wrongly brought forward as rupees 1 lakh. As rupees 1 lakh. See, the total is of first page is 10,000. Total of first page is 10,000. That should be carried forward. But when we brought forward on the next page or next month, that is brought forward as 1 lakh rupees. Carry forward from 31st December to 1st January, that should be 10,000. But by mistake, the accountant put one more zero. So that is 1 lakh. Yes, Saab. This is overcasting or undercasting, beta? See, the total should be carried forward.
Casting.
10,000. And the accountant carry it and brought forward in the next month or in the new books, that is 1 lakh. So that is 90,000 rupees. More means brought forward, more, overcast. How much amount he forward more? What will be the overcasting amount?
90,000.
Very good. So purchase overcast. Now the entry will be same. Suspense account debit to purchase account. Okay, got it? These are the ways in which the question may be there. Now, one more example I am going to give you. See, please note down. The sales book totaled 1,000 in place of 11,000 wrongly. This is the another language. Okay, so here that will be the error of 10,000 rupees. Okay, and undercast. So do these two questions also in your notebook.